G'day team, and welcome back to Heiman Habitat. I'm Scotty Heiman and this is our BOV. Now 6x6 Perentes normally come with a dual jerry can holder right here. But I didn't think that was enough. Now it does have two 60 litre fuel tanks. You can probably see one right here. There's one on both sides. But I didn't think that was enough. Now in the army, this vehicle will have all the support from the rest of the army and a big bloody tanker following it so they can keep on refilling up. When we're on the back tracks, we can't really do that. So what I did is I got another one of these holders, modified it a little bit and put one on the other side as well. But I went one step more. Follow me out to the back of the rig. Alright, so now we've got 4 jerrys down there. They can be water or fuel. But I decided to approach our friends at Roadway Mufflers and 4x4 and get them to help me custom fabricate up a dual swing arm. One for 2 jerry cans as well as the high lift jack holder. This holder actually comes from Top End Camp Gear. Make sure you keep an eye on those guys. These bags are from Robco products, so not just the spare wheel garbage bags, but these ones are specifically made up to tie onto jerry cans. So on the other side we have a dual wheel swing arm. So now I've got 2 spare wheels, and then again from Top End Camp Gear you can see the gas bottle up the top there. So a little bit of spare gas whilst we're going, because it's illegal to store the gas in your living quarters, which is what we'll show you a little bit later. But it's all those sorts of things that we needed to put together to make our BOV ready to hit the open tracks all by ourselves without the support of that logistical arm that the Army had. I'm Scotty Heiman, this is Heiman Habitat, and that's my kind of thinking.